From this video, you will learn best cooking oil for health or which oil is good for health. Let's get started. Forget everything you know at first. You only need these three world-best oils or fats to save your hospital billing and to live longer. Here is why. Okay. Our first oil or fat is extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with beneficial monounsaturated fatty acids, primarily oleic acid. Oleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Extra virgin olive oil is also rich in antioxidants like phenols, which can help protect cells from damage, and its smoke point is 325 degree Fahrenheit, which is 160 degree Celsius. Calories 120 per tablespoon. You need to remember the smoke point because when you will cook your food with this oil, your cooking cooking machine should not exceed this temperature, right? Then then the quality of oil will exist and no harm will happen. So you as a smart uh, medicinal as part of smart medicinal kitchens owner, you need to know this. And for 1 tablespoon you will get 120 calorie. If you calorie counting is important, so you also need to know the amount of calorie. Here is a breakdown of the goodness in extra virgin olive oil. You know that monosaturated fatty acid, about 73% of the fatty acid in extra virgin olive oil are monounsaturated, and these fats can help lower LDL, which is considered bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, which is considered good cholesterol. Then antioxidant. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in natural antioxidants, including phenols and oleocanthal. This antioxidant can help protect cell from damage caused by free radical. That is, it reduce oxidative stress. Then vitamins. Extra virgin olive oil contains vitamin E and K. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that further protects cells from damage, and vitamin K is important for blood clotting and bone health. Minerals. Extra virgin olive oil contains small amounts of various minerals, including calcium, sodium, potassium, and iron. Our second fat is grass fed ghee. This is a miracle, right? Ghee is clarified butter made from butter of grass fed cows. The clarification process removes lactose and milk solids, making it shelf-stable and easier to digest for people with lactose intolerance. What is ghee? Ghee is clarified butter, you have to say. Grass-fed ghee contains conjugated linoleic acid. This is a fatty acid with potential health benefits. And this acid potential health benefits. Besides this, ghee reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. You know that from insulin resistance, our more than 60 plus degenerative diseases are created in our body. Since ghee uh, is decreasing insulin resistance, so our life we can live longer. This is calculation, right? And smoke point is 485 degree Fahrenheit or 250 degree Celsius, which is higher, right? You have to remember, or you have to use this smoke point when you are going to cook your food with ghee, because If you exceed this temperature with your cooking machine, then the quality of ghee will be uh, decreased and you will not get any health benefits. You will be affected badly. Calories 110 per tablespoon. Okay, here is the peak into the chemistry of ghee. Okay, short and medium chain fatty acids. Ghee contains a higher proportion of short and medium chain fatty acids compared to regular butter. These fats are more easily absorbed by the body and may provide some health benefits. Okay. Conjugated linoleic acid. Grass-fed ghee from cows raised on pastures is naturally higher in CLA than ghee from grain-fed cows. CLA, that is conjugated linoleic acid, has been linked to various health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. This is the insulin resistance is the main culprit for our illness, for our longevity, and ghee is reducing that, right? Vitamins. Ghee is a good source of vitamin A, which is important for vision and immune function. You know, without strong immune system, you cannot get a long alive. It also contains some amounts of vitamin D, E, and K. Vitamin D is very important. Okay. Minerals. Ghee is a good source of butyric acid, a short chain fatty acid that may have gut health benefits. You know that without a healthy gut, we cannot get a long alive, because gut is called the second brain, and there is a relationship between our first brain, that is head, to our gut. And in gut, the millions of bacteria, virus, and fungus are living. So if we increase the number of good bacteria, then our our feeling will be good, right? Our body will work properly. It also contains small amounts of other minerals, including sodium, potassium, and calcium. Now I will talk about the number three well, which is coconut oil with centrifugal separation. Look, here centrifugal separation is important. In this separation, technology don't use temperature or heat, right? As a result, you get coconut oil with medicinal properties. Coconut oil is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, right? So this is a miracle of nature. Though there is a debate, but at present time, many doctors are suggesting this oil. Personally, I use this and I get benefit. Your health is your decision. Okay. So coconut oil extracted through centrifugal separation is gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. Look, there is a Thailand-based doctor called Dr. Mojibur Rahman. You will find that in YouTube uh, in different languages. He has MD degree from Russia and now living in Thailand. He has a clinic, right? And he is applying this coconut oil with centrifugal separation with his patient, and he is getting amazing result. And he always suggests to keep this coconut oil in your medicinal kitchen, right? If you heat this well, you will not get medicinal benefit, but you can cook your food, right? So let's delve into the fascinating chemistry behind this oil and explore why it might be considered life extending. Fatty acid powerhouse, rich in medium chain triglyceride. Unlike most dietary fats, MCT, that is medium chain triglycerides, are absorbed and metabolized differently. They go straight to your liver, where they can be used for immediate energy or converted into ketones, an alternative fuel source for your brain. You know that people with autism cannot use glucose properly, right? Due to some reason, but they can easily use ketones. As a result, people with autism uh, get benefits of using coconut wells or MCT wells. The efficient use of energy may contribute to increased vitality and longevity. Then lauric acid advantage. Coconut oil boosts a high concentration of lauric acid, a fatty acid converted into monolaurin by your body. Monolaurin exhibits antimicrobial and antiviral properties, potentially boosting your immune system and contributing to overall well-being. Okay, packed with micronutrients, vitamin and minerals. While not a significant source of most vitamins, coconut oil offers vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cell from damage. It may also contain trace amounts of minerals like potassium and iron. Antioxidant arsenal. Beyond vitamin E, coconut oil possesses natural antioxidants like phenolic compounds. These antioxidants combat free radicals, unstable molecules, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. Look, coconut oil with extra virgin, coconut oil with centrifugal separation. This is not available to your near store. You have to search for it, right? Search search this on in Amazon. I think you will get this. I take this well, that is coconut oil with extra virgin, coconut oil with centrifugal separation from Thailand, right? You will get in Amazon, I think. Then heat stable and versatile, the high smoke point. Centrifugal separation can refine coconut oil, raising its smoke point, the temperature at which it starts to break down and form harmful compounds. This makes it a great choice for high heating cooking, stir frying, and even baking. Calorie consideration, energy source. Like all fats, coconut oil is calorie dense with around 120 calories per tablespoon. However, some studies suggest MCTs may promote feeling of satiety, potentially aiding in weight management. The chemistry of potential longevity. The unique fatty acid profile of coconut oil, with its abundance of medium chain triglyceride and lauric acid, offer intriguing possibilities for promoting good health and potentially extending lifespan. MCTs provide readily available energy. Before exercise, just take MCT well and it will work like a magic, right? I apply to my body. While lauric acid's potential antimicrobial properties may contribute to a robust immune system. Additionally, the presence of antioxidants helps protect your cell and may slow down the aging process. Here is the important points. Fats or oil, here smoke point. For extra virgin olive oil, look at this number, 325 degree Fahrenheit or 160 degree Celsius. For grass-fed ghee, 485 degree Fahrenheit, 252 degree Celsius. And for coconut oil, 350 degree Fahrenheit or 177 degree Fahrenheit. When you are cooking with this oil or fats, always control the temperature of your cooking machine, right? So that temperature does not exceed their smoke point. Okay, potential benefits of coconut oil backed by chemistry. Increased energy production. MCTs in coconut oil may provide a readily available source of energy, potentially benefiting athletes and those with metabolic disorders. Enhance cognitive function. Ketones produced from MCTs can be an alternative fuel source for the brain, potentially aiding cognitive function memory, especially in individuals with neurodegenerative diseases. Weight management. Studies suggest MCTs may promote feelings of satiety and boost metabolism, potentially aiding weight management efforts. Other positive chemical contributes antioxidant properties. Coconut oil contains some antioxidant like tocopherols, which may help protect cell from damage. High smoke point, already I have told you. Compared to other oils, coconut oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for high heat cooking without breaking down into harmful compounds. Here is the nutritional fact.